Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Jason. This episode I will introduce the product feature of the basket mill. Let's have a look. This machine we have 5 product features. Suited for producing small batch product and middle test. Dispersing and grinding are finished in one machine and one container. No need extra pumps, piping, and valves. It's active. Double-walled container for cooling and heating. Little grinding media requirement. Excellent grinding efficiency and effort. Modular design of parts make it much more convenient to disassemble, maintain and overhaul. Almost no need of professional maintenance. Easy cleaning, no residues, convenient product replacement. Okay, that's all. In next episode, I will introduce the main part of the basket mill. If you like our video, please don't forget to follow us. We are Paint and Chemical Machine.